delete any picture from your laptop. So right click anywhere, view, and click on show desktop icons. Now double click on recycle bin. Now here you will see a list of pictures which you deleted before. To restore any picture, right click on it and just click on restore. And exit. Now find out from folder where you deleted, in my case, this picture. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can restore picture.